In this video, we are going to talk about email marketing for beginners. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. One of the earliest means of digital communication is email, which is also one of the most successful digital marketing tactics available. Yes, there are more modern ways to interact with your audience and customers, such live chat and social media. Email is the king of marketing mediums, with a user base of more than 4.5 billion. Email marketing also offers a return on investment, ROI, of $36 for every dollar invested, making it deserving of a spot in every marketer's toolkit. Social networking, SEO, and affiliate marketing are still beaten out by email marketing as the most successful marketing channel. Why? Why is this decades-old technique still one of the most successful marketing tactics in light of all the buzz around new channels? Here's the description of the email marketing for beginners. Let's start. Run a spam test. It's crucial to test emails with email testing tools before sending them. Without a doubt, you spend a lot of time editing your email template and crafting copy. However, sending emails without sufficient testing might leave you vulnerable to errors, such as emails that do not display correctly in some email clients, emails that end up in spam boxes, and emails that have strange formatting in their design. You may test your reputation, deliverability, formatting, and even the caliber of your subject lines and email content with the help of a number of helpful email testing tools. Spam trigger words. Email service providers mark some words and phrases as potentially fraudulent and malicious spam. They then direct these emails away from recipients' inboxes after identifying them. In order to obtain sensitive information from the recipient, these words and phrases frequently promise a favorable consequence more than they can deliver. Spam Checker scans your email for spam trigger terms. Spam terms are phrases or keywords that email service providers consider to be suspicious. The spam checking tool will indicate words in your email that you should avoid using or rephrase. To do this, we created the most comprehensive list of spam phrases to omit from your emails. Keep in mind that just because your material contains one or two spam words doesn't automatically make it spam. It's acceptable to use words in their context. Like all MailMeteor products, your data remains yours. The content of emails that you confirm as spam using our spam detector is not stored or shared with a third party. Send valuable emails. Your consumers will look forward to receiving your emails each month the more value you can offer them in your email campaigns. When that occurs, it will be simpler to influence them to do what you want them to do. You need to concentrate on the consumer if you want to deliver value. It's critical to comprehend their needs and demonstrate your concern. Asking yourself, "How am I going to meet my consumer's needs?" is a good place to start. This will assist you in creating material that will be useful to your audience. Customer success is a result of educational material. Customers and prospects will succeed more rapidly if they know how to use your product and how valuable it is. By sending this information in advance, you may support your consumers with any pain points they might be experiencing. Just inquire if you're unsure of how you may add value for your clients or customers. Ask them what kinds of email content they value, or even if they have any inquiries about your company. Make the substance of your email from those responses. What is email segmentation? Many marketing professionals would advise you to create an email list. What they fail to mention is that without accurate segmentation, your email list won't be as useful. To give your subscribers more tailored and pertinent emails, you can segment your email list into smaller groups depending on specified criteria. Segmentation enables you to send certain emails solely to the subscribers you believe will be most interested in that material, which will increase conversions as opposed to blasting every email out to your whole email list. It has been demonstrated that segmenting your list will improve your email open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates. As a result, segmentation is a key strategy used by astute email marketers to greatly enhance the success of their email campaigns. How to maintain an email list. Although there are many factors that go into creating a healthy email list, engagement and churn are the two most crucial ones. Engagement is essential to getting the outcomes you want from your email campaign. Your opportunity could be lost if no one opens your email because there's a good chance that no one will read it either. Additionally, sending emails only to have them land in spam bins or be delivered to invalid addresses might harm your sender reputation. Your IP's reputation suffers as a result, which further reduces your deliverability. Email churn is the quantity of recipients who unsubscribe, mark you as spam, have their addresses return a hard bounce, or just choose not to open your emails. Either they are not responding to your emails or they are purposefully refusing to do so. Since the average churn rate is 83%, only 17% of your emails will actually reach their intended recipients. Using email list best practices will help you revitalize your list and limit the churn to a manageable rate, even though some churn is unavoidable. How to build an email list. A list of email addresses and other information, such as name, gender, and location, is called an email list and is created by gathering information from website users, customers, event attendees, etc. Perhaps the oldest method of obtaining email subscribers is using embedded sign-up forms. On pages with a lot of traffic, static embedded forms should be put in prominent places like headers, footers, sidebars, and splash pages. The majority of the time, welcome pop-ups are used to welcome site visitors within the first 15 seconds of them coming on the landing page. A welcome pop-up must have a compelling call to action in order to avoid being ignored as disruptive. For the visitor's email address, best practices suggest providing a discount, a sales notification, more information about your USPs, or any other sort of value exchange. Throughout the client journey, promotional pop-ups might emerge and make use of special deals and discounts. Promotional pop-ups emerge while you're actively surfing the website, as opposed to welcome pop-ups that show up when you first visit or exit intent pop-ups that display when you're about to depart. Embedded forms have the advantage of being unobtrusive. They merely act as a gentle reminder to the visitor that they have the choice to sign up. How to master email marketing. You need to persuade people to open your emails before you can get into extensive email marketing methods. What do your consumers see first when they engage with you via email? Subject headings. We want to examine the part subject lines play in re-engaging customers who haven't downloaded promotional materials, followed through on quotes, or who have abandoned their carts. By keeping an eye out for specific keyword phrases and other components that will earn points each time they are spotted in your email campaigns, spam filters operate on a point system. The likelihood that the email will get in the spam box increases as the points rise. Here is where you need to exercise caution. While it's crucial to understand which subject lines work the best, it won't matter if the email never even reaches the recipient's inbox. Telling website visitors what action you want them to take is crucial. Calls to action, or CTAs, serve that purpose. Although best practices can vary depending on the particular organization or sector you're in, there are some overarching rules for maximizing the effectiveness of your CTAs. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.